welcome to another vlog. So today I will be going to Ro Woon's fan meet. I'm super excited. I was able to get tickets to Ro Woon's with my sister. Super Christian ang sister ko, and I'm also a fan of him. I've watched Extraordinary You. I recently finished Tomorrow, so I'm super excited. Sadly, I cannot bring my camera with me because it's not allowed, so I'll try to take videos on my phone hopefully. And yeah, let's go.
마보아의 네, 안녕하세요 여러분. 와, 정말 안에 대기실도 있으면서 소리를 듣는데 느끼지 않을 정도로 많은 분들이 와주셔서 정말 감사합니다.
Sobrang nataksa ko kasi hindi ko nakakala na ganitong karami yung pumunta dito. Sobrang salamat.
Sa Global Community, K가 나am, araw. 여러분들이랑 대화하는 것도 너무 좋은데 노래를 들려드리고 싶어서 제가 OST 불렀던 안녕이라는 노래를 깔끔하게 한번 짧게 한번 불러보겠습니다.
Because I want to give you gift as a song, and this is one of the OST soundtrack from the King's Affection.
Attempting to vlog again today. Hopefully I'll be successful this time. But anyway, we're going to Alabang today. We're gonna go to our tita's house, maybe do some pottery and also go swimming. I'm excited. It's been a while. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is my outfit. I have like a full-on Shopee outfit right now. My top is from Lovito, shorts, I really don't know what store, but it's also from Shopee, as well as the sandals I'm wearing right now. My bag isn't from Shopee, but it was just a gift. And also I have my tote bag right here of my clothes. We're just actually waiting for our dad and then we're gonna go. My cousin's teaching us leather work, so we're just practicing on scrap materials right now. So cool. So this is the template I used. And then they're making their own. Okay, mine is not perfect, but again, we're just practicing, and I used this one with these. Okay, I'm gonna like this, and then we'll clean it up.
Three, 2, 1, go!
Oh my gosh, you're so happy. Don't hold my hand. Don't hold my hand. Wait at the net. Wait at the net. Don't wait at the net. Go in. Go get her. Oh. Too fast, please.
Freezing. Wait! 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy July 1st. So I have plans today. I'll be meeting my med school friends, and it's the second time I'm meeting them, so I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. I'm still kind of shy, but someone told me to bring my camera, so I'll bring it anyway. But this is my outfit for today. I'm just wearing a tank top from Forever 21, sweatpants from Shopee, my shoes, and then I think I'll just bring a jacket with me. I'll be bringing my Bershka jacket. I just feel like it suits my outfit, and yeah, I'm just waiting for them and we'll go.